So here's my right now. He's like mini. He's really cute. He's purring right now. If you can hear it. He's very cute. He's I know you like me. Follow the mouse. He's just gonna follow the mouse. I don't care if you see the background like here. I don't care. So if I turn off the light, no one's up here and he gets scared. No matter, come here, show your face. Show your face. Your face is cute. Yes, Marlo. That's its color. It's kind of red for Christmas. No green. Just plain red with paw prints. Really like the camera. That's nice. A cute little kitty cat. I'm gonna put him on the floor. Okay. Gotta say bye. Bye. Oh look, he sees me on the computer too now. You just yawned. See? Okay, I gotta go. Sorry. I'm gonna make another Monster High review. Sorry. Bye.